Anwebe. Ekpon ndi ocha hapia bulie. Mwelo sindi ocha. Oga, if you want me, we give you victory over these people, we let us come out. Bolum a stallion. Nukwamu. He bully a price stallion. A bukolo. Ima that thing where they happen for colonial times when person go come, leave Oyibo people to come carry Ikenga Igbo. Opesi ndin na ghetto. Ina amaloki esi weto. Kamgwazi agi make imaka ndi ba esi atu opesi ngwa. Onwe ka obu na mmadu fu udala. Ka esi mmadu nwe ke fu oji an iroko tree. An iroko tree where they 500 years old, 5 generations only. Small time. No, you know, your ancestor. Ewe, okwa chugida ajao. Chugida ajoya, odi ajoga hacho. Before odi allowed, ko to puta mmụọ na yabu oji the 500 years old. Say in 4. Let's say in 4 by himself, in using hand, fall cleanly. And usually when these you see them fall, they go just align cleanly, fall away from house. They no go fall on top house. So more deal. Say less. So that your ancestor now go come carry that 500-year-old OEC here a lot of things can mention. Ima go isi no 500 years because all these Oche, I can go. All these non-living things, all these things where you think say they dead, they are alive. They have life. They last longer in this plane than me and you. Your ancestor now, the wise old man, an Akajiofo, go come carry that OEC where is in hand for. Come carry him. Where to put him more? Where to put your best? Where to put your Ikenga? For the more the 15 feet. Hey, Akukwe. Where to put them more the 15 feet? Big obesi. Arrow. Nango bala. More. Kewe. I can give. Where to put them more? In first of all, before you can successfully to put them more, I may no really good. On that period to put on more, you know, while I'm saying this, it's not as if I've done it, but I'm finna do it. So please, if you have udala that your family wants to throw away like it's dirt, please call me. I'm finna give you value for your money. You know what I'm saying? Please. Or any other OEC more that your family wants to throw away like it's dirt. Yeah? I could find the money given. So your ancestor where Wagidafa Mmoene gosi for nwefa hana achwada na-enye mmụọ ife until na-enye mmụọ na-enyekwa na atụ mmụọ because you are cutting a deity, a 500-year-old living being. You can imagine you are cutting it, bro. If you cut them anyhow, the next day you no go even wake up. You know what I'm saying? The ancestor come and the person na to that oisi. Where to put your ora, arrow, where to put your more, where now kwasi or bala. Where now kwasi fellow living thing, where in life they longer than me and you. We be say me and you. We go rotting, ASAP. Maybe the Egyptians had something they were doing with mummies, who knows, by preserving something that people thought was dead, but it still get life. But not only them know if they don't already mix in chemicals. Your ancestor where to gidi fa where to put your mom when you be obala. When you gidi obala, when you gidi obala, how are you? When you gidi obala, now that era fa, now their existence, we're handed over to maybe your great grandfather. 15 feet deity, 15 feet up, let's say. You require 15 feet. Me times 2 plus 1/3 or something, or 1/2. Tall as Osisi Mmuo. I went to put him more when you bala for generations. Owelu your foolish ass father's hand or your foolish ass grandfather's hand. I'm sorry. I'm not even sorry, but him be a foolish ass dude. Away bully that up 15 feet deity. Away allow a foreign people with their own deity. How much one kefa? Away allow for away batano gudun where be a bulu mon. Bulu is more first of all they go to 500 years old before your ancestor were twaya as obesi. Twaya as more. Obalogiala. Obalogiala, man, makana. If only ananyagi. Bro, I don't see deity age 500-year-old udala wepe. Ndi give it up like inkirinka akwa. Na bia burifa abu pula na ba. Chukume odabalo n'aka ndị British maka ọ bụ na ndị British nweta ya. By now nọdụ na British Museum. Chukume odaba n'aka dibia wee jili ya wee tụọ mmụọ dị ebube. Mmụọ bụ mmụọ nwe iru, nwe ala, nwe afọ, nwe obi, mmụọ. I just dig loud for the things so I see God. No, fake a job going God. Child. Fake a job going. Now those people now, Dibia now go cover when in they carry that more. In tell them say yo, this more will come to me. When in consider more, when in they carry them, in tell them say, Oga, even if na egg and cheek more. Even if na egg and cheek, make una do for this deity where they come out from una house. Where for one, first of all, saying they come out from una house, self already supposed to tell una say aji fene amon. Say omomo. Makaudala bo omomo. If you hear from one to I say udara mi chamu muton. I say ekwa omomo mom. Udala no omomo. First of all, you supposed to be sad. Say omomo, stand up. They come out from the house. More can they tell them say yo, make una no just let this guy go like this. Make una zaiwe, yeah. Make una zaiwe. They be like, fuck that shit. They know they use and do anything because fana agoka, ofeka joka, ofeki bugundi Igbo. Bro, you know if you be Christian, still be pro Igbo. You cannot. Do you know what? Those people, they've not seen effect today with their. You cannot be pro. Unko de namba ne yelumbani. This is a foreign deity you are putting ahead of your ancestors' practices and our deities. You cannot do it. Unko de namba ne yelumbani. Ndibo, please. I beg una. Stop. You can't be a Christian. You cannot. For all your egalitarianism, you cannot be a Christian, my guy. Please, you can't. You are going to hurt yourself and your children. Those people now are follower. Mana more di bene bono. More kuni poa. But I cannot reach to say now. They no go British Museum. And who knows the things that the people in that British Museum used to do for our deities when they carry them. Maybe they go kill stallion. Ibolu Ikenga, a stallion. Ikenga bu osisi. Ikenga ebunye no osisi. Maybe 1,000-year-old. Anuebe. Ikbonde ocha habia bulie. Mwelo sindi ocha. Oga. If you want me, we give you victory over these people, we let us come out. Wolum a stallion, nukwamu. A horse somewhere nukwamu, a price stallion, he woli a price stallion. Obia a bukolo. Imanamo kubu. Go stream motor. Young one up on my body, kibu ekide. I bless your temple with my all-4 stick. You see, they call me Akajo for chips. Great grandson is a digwe. Dibia, fertility goddess, better lot.